Okay, to use the Mid-Continent Library, you're going to have an icon on your desktop, and it's going to be it's Destiny BSFC. Click on that. Yours will probably automatically come up to the Freshman Center. And then on the main home screen over here on the right hand side, there's Mid-Continent Public Library shortcut link. Click on that. It's going to take you to the home page, the Mid-Continent Public Library. Click on or hover over online information, then to research databases. Click on that. And then if you can remember last week when we met, databases organized by subject matter for current articles on recent protests. You can go down to current issues and topics. And this is a list of databases underneath this category of current issues and topics. I actually showed you the SIRS Issues and Researcher, and then another option is Opposing Viewpoints and Context, and both of these are similar. Opposing Viewpoints and Context is a resource for information of today's controversial social issues. Provides access to viewpoints, topics, overviews, etc. And as you see, SIRS is the same thing. Issues research to locate articles about controversial issues selected for newspapers, magazines, journals, etc. So the SIRS that I use, you just click on that, and at this point, the Mid-Continent Library is going to ask you for your library card number. Because databases are not free, you have to be a member to the facility that you're borrowing their databases. The school library card number is 2000-501-681-7970. Type that in and then you hit enter, or you can click on Login. And it's going to take you directly to the database that you selected. Okay, SIRS, you use this browser window right up here in the search window. Right here, I'll circle it for you. Okay. And you can type in, you can do a subject search or a keyword search. We're going to just type in protest and then click on, and then of course you can see, as we talked about the other day, protest, another word for protest is a demonstration, a boycott, ban guns at public rallies. Here's a current issue, free speech isn't just for the right. New Mexico wavered on science education, and the outcry began. So all these, and then the icon here says what type of a resource. So these are newspaper articles that you might like. So ban guns at public rallies. Let's click on that one. And then let's say you borrowed information from this, you copy and paste it into your notes. Alright, then how are you going to give this article and the information that you borrowed from it credit? You're going to go over every database. I'd say 9 times out of 10, every database gives you the correct citation. There's a little toolbox over here on your left in the SIRS. So you go to click on Cite, and the way to cite this article is MLA 8 is what we're using. Okay, so you can either do one of two things. You can copy, or you can highlight just the citation, and then paste. So copy, and then you have a Word document, open, go to my Word, go here, oops, excuse me, and then you paste that into your Works Cited page. That should already be started because we did this the other day. Your citations are going to be in alphabetical order by the first word in the citation. Okay, now when you copy and paste these citations, it loses the formatting. So to correct the formatting, you want to highlight the citation and then go up here to your paragraph box, click on the bottom right hand corner, and we're going to have indentation here. Going to click on special, it's going to be hanging. The spacing, you need to have it double spaced, and then click OK. Alright, now that fixes the hanging indent and the spacing, but you can see up here in your font that it's blank. We want to make sure that we correct that font, and it should be Times New Roman. Okay. Also, your title should be 12-point font as well. Okay. Now, there's one other thing that we found that is happening when you copy and paste. It's bringing in the gray background. We don't want that in our citation. So what you do when you, there should be, so you can right click on the citation and then hover over the options, merge formatting, and then get rid of the highlighted one and the extra. Yep. Back up, and then have your special hanging, and then OK, and then you're good. Okay, so that would be your first citation. All citations are in alphabetical order by the first word in the citation, whether it be the author's last name or the first word in the title of the article when an author is not given. Okay. So that concludes all of the stipulations on your Works Cited page. Make sure that it's double spaced, alphabetical order by the first word, hanging indent on any additional lines beyond the first line, title is centered, and that's it.